Hi everyone, it's me David. I'm a KOK Play Frontier from the Genesis group. And today I just want to give you guys a quick market update because kind of everything it did go the way I said it would go, except I was wrong on one thing. Alright, and that was about KOK. However, I did warn that such things would happen. And so first, let's look at what happened. Because yesterday I said that if you look at KOK, if you look here, you see higher lows. So every time it goes to a low, it gets higher, 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 higher. And then you have lower highs like that, lower highs. And then I said, you see the highs are on a sideways movement. And I said, it's going to force a cross. They're going to cross and it's going to force the price to go up or down. Now, for me, I did say yesterday that it was going to go up, because that's what, that's what's been happening in the charts. Because I've always said it is what it is to it no longer is what it is, right? However, because KOK's so strong, because it's so strong, it leveled back off. You had a dump, right? It dumped down, but it's right back where it should be around 230, okay? So I did say that it's going to force the price to go up or down. So here it is from yesterday. There's something interesting in the chart is the formation here. If you really look at this closely, you keep seeing higher lows. So here's a low, a higher low, a higher low, higher low, higher low, right? But here, this low is still higher than the main lows. This is a main low. This is a main low. And then you see lower highs. Lower high. Lower high. Well, now, but starting from here, you're starting to see a straight line on the highs. But the lower lows continue to be higher. And so what's going to happen is going to keep going to a point where imagine a road that's going higher as the lower highs get higher, and then now you got the road that's just going straight right. They're going to cross each other. Well, before they cross each other, it's going to force some kind of price movement, okay? Chances are it's not going to just keep going right. It's going to force it to go up or down. That's what normally happens. Now, see, that's what normally happens. And that's what exactly happened the very day I said that, you had the lower highs and you had the higher lows, but then you also had the highs. You had lower highs until it started the highs started going across in a straight line, and it's going to force the move. Now you're wondering why did it pump down even though it came back up? And the reason why it did come back up was again, the KOK is supported by a lot of Tether coins and Bitcoin and Ethereum all the way from the past. So that supports the price of KOK, why it's so stable, but it continues to go up because people continue to buy it and you have more buyers than sellers. Now here, what I want you to look at is, okay, hold on, this video right here. Check this out. But you also see these other charts where, you have 7 days or 8 days, and then you might go down. You might have a couple red days, move up. By the looks of it here, we still got weeks. We still got 3 weeks more after this week of, prices going up, or maybe 4 weeks of prices going up. But we don't know how high. Once again, I think we're going to reach that when we hit the death cross, the 50-day moving average and the 40-day moving average, 200-day moving average. And I said we're going to go above the price of the death cross, and we're going to test the 200-day moving average, right? And that was around, I think, 44 to 46 or something. I forgot exactly, but yeah, those are all within the price range. So that's all good so far. What I've said. So imagine this, 2 weeks ago, even when Bitcoin was around, or this was actually over 2 weeks ago, when Bitcoin was around $39,000, $40,000, when it never hit 44,000, 46,000, I said that's the prices that it's going to hit because of the most recent death cross. And we hit that. I even said it's going to go around 48 to 50,000. I said that. I said 48 to, check out the videos. And, you know, you look at Binance. Oh. If you look at Binance, you look at the daily, 48,200. 48,200. That's between 48 and 50. I still think you might still see it go around 50 a little more. But anyway, so far everything is going, you know, accordingly as planned. Because of just learning from these guys, what I thought was going to happen is learning from guys like Benjamin Cohen, Crypto Crew University, Big Steve, Naheem. Those are the channels that I watch, and that's where I'm learning this stuff from. That's where a lot of the calls, even though I'm telling you I could be wrong. I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just telling you what I think. But what I think so far, a lot of it is pretty legit, and it's legit because of the channels I'm watching. Is why I tell you guys I recommend you to subscribe to these channels. And it looks like it's going to go through. But what does that mean for KoKoin? Well, normally when you have a price going up in Bitcoin, Bitcoin will go first, and then the altcoins are going to catch the action. The altcoins are going to catch the action. So, you know, in the 3 weeks, 2 to 4 weeks coming up, yeah, I imagine that KoKoin is going to go around $2.50 to $3. I said this over 2 weeks ago. $2.50 to $3 over 2 weeks ago. Okay? July 29th is when I posted this video. It is what I said. Okay? Now, like I said in a previous video, or maybe 2 or 3 previous videos ago, that because KoKoin or KOK token is listed on KuCoin, which is the 5th biggest exchange, you got more whales coming in, you're going to have more buying and dumping action. That's just part of the game. As your token becomes more popular, it gets... What did I say? I said this, even if this was like 2, 3 videos ago, it could have been like a month and a half ago. I said that because KoKoin is on KuCoin, or KuCoin exchange, and you know it continues to get on these big exchanges, you're going to have whales buying up KoKoins, and when they buy it up, they're going to try to dump the price, to try to manipulate the price, to try to scare people into selling, and then they're going to try to buy it up for cheap and try to pump it up even more and try to sucker people into buying it, and then dump the price again and scare people to sell it, and the price goes down even more, and they try to scoop it up at a cheaper price, right? That's what whales do. I warned that's what was going to happen, and bow. Look at that. That's pretty much, that's what I see right here. What I see is I saw the whales doing what they do and try to dump the price. But KoKoin, because it's such a solid platform, solid model, and because it has so much tether, and Bitcoin back when it was like $8,500, and Ethereum back when it was like $180, and all the prices that went up supporting the price of KoKoin, including all the buyers, current buyers, and the exchange doing business and getting money from companies paying platform money to advertise, and the burning of the coins every time we're doing all these, you know, probably thousands and thousands of transactions. That's why the price just boom, came right back up. Because if you look, KoKoin dumped when Bitcoin dumped yesterday, right? So far, everything's what it looks. I did say that I expect this week we're going to print another green candle. All right, now next week, I think even if it prints red, it's going to be, it shouldn't be too big of a red, but if it is a big one, it could be. You know, I don't know. If it's a green one, I think it'll be a small green candle for a weekly. That's what I think. And I think this run is going to be pretty much coming to an end. We might see some sideways on the weekly candles. I could be wrong. I don't know. At this point, I don't know. But I do expect, I did say, you know, 40, was it like 44 to 50 a wick passing $50,000. But at the end, I also see it going back down to the $20,000 range. But even when it goes back down to the $20,000 range, KOK coin is going to be in much better condition than all the other coins. And I haven't sold off a lot of my other coins, but I kept every bit of my KOK tokens. You get what I'm saying? Because it's solid. KOK coins, they're going to be fine. They're going to be absolutely fine. Okay, lots of traffic, no big deal. So, you know, what happened yesterday, I'm showing you from the previous videos that it can happen, and it could continue to happen. But because of the support and all the Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Tether that was used for mining to support KOK coin, that the price will, you know, it should maintain. It should be pretty good. That's why when other coins went down 80% because or 80-90% because Bitcoin went down 50%, KOK coin continued to make new highs. And so even Bitcoin goes down to $20,000, I really think KOK coin is going to be good. It's solid. It got good backing. The fundamentals are good. The chart's still looking strong, even with the whales. Even though we might still have more dumps in the future, but I still see good, strong recoveries from them. So everyone, do not worry, KOK family, okay? I'm not your financial advisor. I'm not telling you what to do, but I am telling you what I think will happen and what I'm doing, and I gave you the reasons why. You saw the previous videos. Check them all out. So far, things going what I expected to go. But maybe in the next couple of weeks, I do expect a dump, you know, in Bitcoin. But, you know, I think KOK coin should be okay. We might have a few dumps, but I think the recovery will be good or better than other coins, or, you know, it will be like today where you had a dump, but we came right back to where we were before. Or, you know, we're going to be okay. The KOK family, we're going to be okay. If you're new to the channel, please hit the like, subscribe, all right, share the video, and yeah, everyone, stay blessed, God bless, KOK on. Also, if you don't have KOK Play, you know, go to Play Store, download it, and you could use my code. They're my sons. Hold on. Let's see. Yeah, you can use my code because you're going to need a recommendation code. Okay, so you can use QAABIRWL, QAABIRWL. All right, everyone. Once again, stay blessed, God bless, and KOK on.